So, this video isn't scripted or planned, but this is a topic I find super interesting. So I thought I'd make a quick video just in case anyone else agrees. So, we are currently in Tromsø, which is a large town in northern Norway at a latitude of about 69 degrees. When you move to the Arctic Circle, everyone has the same question, which is, how are you going to survive the winter? And honestly, I didn't know. I mean, it's my first time here as well. But today is December the 21st, which is the winter equinox, or in many places, the shortest day of the year. Here, there hasn't been a sunrise for about 3-4 weeks. And yet, I'm still able to go for a run outside with a camera and not need a torch or anything. And yeah, I found that very surprising. I don't know why I've chosen to do this bit on a hill. It's all down to something called civil twilight. And basically, although the sun doesn't come over the horizon, it still gets close enough for the light's rays to refract around it and reach places like Tromsø that are just a little bit inside the Arctic Circle. If you went further north, it would be darker. But in this kind of Goldilocks zone, we still have some semblance of daylight. I imagine all of the snow and white clouds help. Anyway, this civil twilight, it isn't actually bright enough to properly stimulate the photosensitive retinal ganglionic cells, which are the fancy cells in your eyes that you don't use for vision, but you do use to tell your body what time of day it is. So what that means is that your circadian rhythm, or your body clock, still gets pretty messed up, and people who are sensitive to seasonal affective disorder still need special lights in order to live a normal life. And don't even think about getting enough UV light to make vitamin D. Vitamin D tablets are still very much required. But on the bright side, you do get enough light for at least an hour a day to go outside and do something active. And honestly, that's half the battle. And if you're wondering why I chose to spend an entire video running uphill, it's so that I could finish on a nice view of where the sun should be right now. Peaceful.